Welcome to channel YouTube Dika Suzaf again. Kali ini gue ditemenin lagi sama Syam dari Indonesia dan Talal dari Malaysia. So, kita mau kasih tahu tutorial how to use NANOSTIX. Nih, NANOSTIX. Cem, kasih lihat Cem, kayak gimana?
Ya,
jadi kalian mungkin udah tau lah NANOSTIX ini lagi happening ya, lagi hits
di Indonesia
dan Malaysia. So, could you kasih tahu could you tell them how to use NANOSTIX?
NANOSTIX is really easy to use and it's better than vape also, because vape you have to press the button, and if you press the button and you don't inhale, it will be that the coil will burn. But this one is really easy and better. You just have to take and inhale. So this one is quite easy and better to use, and I think it's better than cigarettes also, because cigarettes sometimes you have that smell in hands and mouth, and when you talk to people it's not really nice. So this one is more better.
Nah, tadi kalau menurut gue juga nih, jadi cara makanya gampang banget. Nih, kalau lo beli NANOSTIX nanti awal-awal lo bakal dapet device-nya kayak gini, dibuka dari kardus dan dapetnya kayak gini tuh device-nya. Terus habis itu ini liquidnya enaknya kayak gini, liquidnya gampang, nggak pakai kapas-kapasan ribet, nggak pakai recoil, langsung dimasukin ke NANOSTIX-nya nih, langsung dimasukin. Tak. Nah, seperti yang kayak tadi Talal bilang, nggak perlu press apa-apa, mencet apa-apa ya, no need to press any button, tinggal langsung masukin aja ke mulut. Nah, gampang banget kan? Tuh, terus I love it because it's very simple and classy.
Yeah, and some of the good thing is you can keep it anywhere. It's not like a vape you have to carry like big battery and then some of coil along with you. Anywhere you can keep it.
Or maybe here.
Yeah, can keep here as well.
Really?
Yeah, it's keep it like this. Some if your parents catch you can say something.
Yes, benar. So, nah, buat kalian yang penasaran gimana sih buat dapetin NANOSTIX seperti yang kita pakai sekarang nih, langsung aja lihat Instagramnya ada di bawah sini, sama apa nih namanya, ya websitenya ada di bawah sini. Langsung kalian bisa beli di sana. Oke, thank you kalau gitu buat my friend dua orang ini, dan bye.